One simple ingredient took this banana bread to the next level. In this video, I will show you how to make my family's favorite banana bread using my secret ingredient. It makes the banana bread very moist and flavorful. For the recipe, we will need 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half a cup melted butter, 3 ripe bananas, 2 cups all-purpose flour, half cup milk, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons coconut flakes, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, this is optional, and half teaspoon baking soda. First, I grease my loaf pan and set it aside. Now let's get into the ingredients. I will start by sifting my flour to remove any lumps and make the banana bread light and fluffy. Now that I've sifted the flour, I'm adding cinnamon, baking powder and baking soda. Then whisk everything together until well combined. In another bowl, cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. This step adds air to the mixture, which helps make the banana bread soft and fluffy. Once you've creamed the butter and the sugar, this is how it should look: light, creamy and fluffy. Now I will add the eggs one at a time. Once everything is well combined, set it aside. Now let's mash our bananas until nice and smooth. I recommend using really overripe bananas for the best flavor. Mine weren't quite there yet, but they still tasted great. Remember to mash your banana last once all your ingredients are already ready. If they sit for too long, they will start to turn brown. Don't overmash the bananas if you enjoy little banana chunks in your banana bread. Go ahead and add the vanilla extract, mix until well combined, then set it aside. Now combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients and gently fold until everything is well mixed. Be careful not to overmix the batter. If you do so, the gluten in the flour is going to develop and your banana bread is going to be stretchy instead of fluffy. Now add the warm milk and gently fold it into the batter until everything is well combined. Make sure the milk is warm, not hot. Now add 1 tablespoon of coconut flakes and gently fold them in until everything is evenly distributed. Once the batter looks like this, pour it into your greased loaf pan. Don't forget to preheat your oven before you start baking. Now sprinkle the remaining 1 tablespoon of coconut flakes evenly over the top. Then use a toothpick or a skewer to make a line in the center of the batter. This helps the banana bread rise evenly and give it that beautiful crack. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Insert toothpick in the center. Once it comes out clean, know your banana bread is ready. Just look at this. Tell me this does not make you want to make this my banana bread recipe. If you are new here or this is the first time watching one of my videos, you are welcome to my channel. And to all my returning subscribers, I see you all. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't already. I will list all the equipment I use in this video in the description box and I will equally pin it in the comment section. If you are interested, you can check them on Amazon. Bye for now and I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed and continue cooking with me. Bye bye.